Hi guys. Um, Nowadays everything has changed with the bed in a box mattress. They're heavier. That's why they tell you exactly how the foundation is supposed to be or should be so it can carry this heavy mattress. The slats should be only a few inches apart, not like this example when they're like feet apart. And this can hurt your bed entirely. And when you purchase a mattress now, all mattress companies show you a exact picture on how this foundation or base is supposed to be or should be. Keep in mind, a lot of companies sell their own foundations or bases that are made especially to carry this heavy mattress. Unlike a box spring that is useless right now. It's not going to do a good job supporting your mattress. This thing should be out on the curb. I wanted to show you box springs versus new bases or foundations. This is an old one. I am proudly going to say I used to have, because I'm going to put it on the curb outside for bulk pickup soon, and I can't wait for it. Now, I've had it for a long time. I had to remove this for you to show what's inside and what's going on inside that box spring, of course. But this thing is bulky, it's big, it's heavy, and if you happen to follow me or read my posts, if there's one thing I hate the most, it's everything that is bulky. I really love everything that's compact, that's easy to fold, that I can carry everywhere with me. And this is where the new base or foundation now we're talking about, this is one of them, they come in handy. They are super easy to assemble and disassemble. Now I have assembled this one previously in a movie, in a video. This is the Lisa foundation. No tools required. That's everything you need right here. This is it. 4 pins come in each and every corner, 4 corners. The slats are encased in this amazing, beautiful fabric. They're supposed to be sturdy and last longer and forever to carry your current mattress. Now, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to disassemble it and show you how easy it is to put it in your car and take it wherever you want with you, which is something I really love. Alright,